What is good, everybody? Taco Tuesday is amongst us, and I'm back with another banger to make your Taco Tuesday a beautiful day. You know what I'm talking about? This is a super easy, oh so delicious recipe for you to follow along. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave your boy a like as well as a comment. Let me know what you think, and let's get started. So these are the ingredients that we'll be using today to make our delicious tacos. I'm gonna also link them down in the description box to make it nice and easy for you to find them. And when it comes to tacos, I always prefer chicken thighs over chicken breast, because you know sometimes chicken breast tends to be a little bit more dry. So we're gonna begin by drizzling a little bit of olive oil on these bad boys, get them nice and oiled up, get them ready for that seasoned up massage that we always do. You know that's our specialty right here. You know, we know how to season up that chicken proper, and we know how to massage it up real good, real nice. You know what I'm talking about. On the screen here, I have a list of my dry seasoning blend that I love to use, and it goes perfect with these tacos, guys. So I'm just gonna be nice and generous and go crazy, go ham, get our chicken well coated, all massaged up with all of those amazing spices. So you want to go ahead and get your pan to a medium high, drizzle a little bit of olive oil in there, and start to pile up all that well seasoned up chicken, guys. You know what I'm talking about? Because you already know ain't no bland chicken over here. You guys know the motto. Ain't nothing bland on this side whatsoever at all. Go ahead and toss your chicken in there. Let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes per side until it's nice and golden brown. Once you got that first side nice and beautiful, you go ahead and give it a flip. Like I said, takes about 5 to 6 minutes per side. Give it a nice little flip. Let the other side do its thing as well. So after a while of letting that second side cook up, you want to go ahead and toss in your whole onion. You're going to also toss in about 1 cup of chicken broth, as well as 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, guys. You want to get all that in there. And at this point, we're going to finish this off in the oven. So you do want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees, guys. Get that oven heated up, get that oven waiting for you guys. So I'm just getting that tomato paste in there, getting it all mixed up with our chicken broth, just like so. You're gonna see me toss that chipotle pepper in here in just a second. As far as that chipotle pepper, that diced chipotle pepper, it is very, very, very spicy. So proceed with caution, guys. Don't go too crazy unless you like crazy. You know what I'm talking about? Unless you like spicy, you know, be careful with this, you know, diced chipotle pepper, because this stuff is very, very hot. As you seen, I just put a little bit in there, just like so. Kind of got it all mixed up, and then we toss it in the oven at 400 degrees for about, I would say, 20 minutes. So this is after the 20 minutes, and guys, this looks amazing. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab 2 forks and go to work. You can shred your chicken as fine as possible. I like me some chunks of chicken in my taco, so I did not shred it, you know, super fine. I just kind of broke it apart here and there, but you can shred yours however you like. Now it's time for the assembly line. I'm using flour tortillas, but you know, if you want to use corn tortillas or white corn tortillas, you absolutely can. The choice is yours. And these taco holders come in handy, guys. If you check my description box, is the Amazon link. It's almost like a little Amazon store where it has a lot of stuff that I use on a daily basis in the kitchen. You'll find these taco holders in there. These are a lifesaver, and they make a beautiful presentation next time you have tacos in your household. So I'm just gonna pile these bad boys up high. So we're just throwing that chicken in there, and we're gonna go ahead and toss some of that cheddar cheese as well once we have all that chicken in there, as well as some chopped up cilantro. And if you like sour cream, you could drizzle some sour cream in there. I mean, you could toss even more additional stuff. It just depends on your taste buds and what you like. So this is the end result, guys. These are out of this world. Will change your Taco Tuesdays forever once you give these a try, because they're that good. Can't wait for you to do that. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Deuces.